We paid $300 for this destroyed Dune Buggy, which maybe was a huge mistake. But we're gonna try and turn it from a rusty storage bin in someone's backyard into a beautiful work of art.
But that's gonna be hard because we can only spend $500 on the entire project.
And we've already spent over $400. That leaves us with only $65 to completely transform this into something unrecognizable. Let's do this.
I think I'm gonna poo. My patties can't see.
Alright, so step one was to give the Dune Buggy upgrades, which we did in our first video, so go watch that if you haven't. Step two is to restore it. So let's go get some paint.
We have $65. We gotta get oil, paint,
and pool noodles in
Pool
winter.
noodles.
Got the GoPro POV shot. Looking right down here, we got a couple of blacks that we can choose from. Stop. Oh, this is black? Yo, only $7 a can, bro.
farm.
Okay.
We're not gonna push it any further.
Now, a word from our sponsors.
Our mother. You're doing great, sweetie.
Alright, so we made a little time lapse of us cleaning up the Dune Buggy, which was so satisfying because this thing has not been cleaned or kept up in over 10 years. It's looking pretty good now, yeah.
I'd sit in this now.
We actually might, it's a little gross, but this is actually gonna clean up pretty well. Like, I'm already seeing how much has changed. Step two is gonna be cleaning this out with a rag and some soapy water, and hopefully getting all of this nice and ready so that we can paint it. Let's go. All right, sick. It's dried off pretty well, and we're gonna start painting it. Let's give it its first spray. Nice. There it is. Here we go. Let's do it. Alright, we got our coat of paint on it, and this thing is looking sexy. Who knew that $7 Walmart paint could look this good, guys? Holy cow, we're super satisfied with how it looks. We have searched everywhere for pool noodles, and we can't find any at all.
Not any for a good deal, at least. We found plenty, but we have a budget of like 25, 30 bucks left.
$15 on paint, $20 on oil. That leaves us with $30 left for pool noodles. I'm like, that's totally enough, right?
Easy. Wrong.
Wrong.
The pool noodle market is going crazy right now. If you have some, it turns out you're sitting on a gold mine.
Yeah, literally, it's been a week, okay, and we're just about to give up, and then Bethany
saves us.
Bethany saves us. Facebook Marketplace, bulk pool noodles. I hit her up instantly, and I drive over, and we got the pool noodles. Unholy amounts of pool noodles. This is literally $50 worth of pool noodles. We got it for $15. Thank you, Bethany. We're gonna put the pool noodles on this thing, make it look spicy, okay? And we're gonna get back to you. Welcome to Pool Noodle ASMR.
After many hours of laboring, the world's cheapest dune buggy was finally complete.
Bro? Y'all try and get on that business, but sorry bro, I don't mess with it. Y'all broke brothers, let's test this. I'm blessed with that light of God. Y'all see that here on my necklace. Y'all looking around like y'all necklace. I'm hot, extra most bestest. Y'all smell that pizza? I got that boy from San Antonio, Texas. That's tough.
All right, so there you go. Subscribe if you haven't. We're taking this thing to the dunes. Next video,
Doomsday.
Doomsday is coming.
Doomsday,
So
brother.
subscribe. And we're Budget Builds. See you in the next one. Well, it's out of gas. We've been pushing this for a decent amount.
Not even. Sam's just out of shape.
No. Well, it's hard to push a freaking 500-pound piece of crap up a hill.